Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I will show you how to reset the device to the recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up. And when you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. And from here you want to tap on wipe data. Actually, we have to use volume keys. So using volume keys, select wipe data and then confirm it with power key. Then again select wipe all data and select confirm, power key again, process will begin. Now at this point it's fairly quick one, it only takes a couple of seconds about. There we go. So from here press power key once more to go back to main menu, and you want to reboot the device, so again power key. And once more power key to reboot to system, and the device will now continue the process in the background while it's turning back on, so it will take a little bit longer for it to power back on, at least to the Android, and once it has, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.